My parents are making me clean out these cars, bro. Oh well. Can't really get out of it either way, so, you know. Guess let's start with the Armada. Okay, it's not bad. Really. Hold on. I actually need to get a box first. Hold on. Alright, so story time on why I have to clean out the car. It's a very, very interesting story, I swear. See these trash cans, right? In these trash cans, I forgot to take these black bags all the way down. So as punishment, my parents, or really my mom, is making me clean out the car. She's making me do the chicken house, sweep out the patio, and do the pool thing. It's not bad. It's not really. I'm not complaining. And honestly, I'm trying to have a good attitude about it because you know how moms are. If you talk back, then you get smacks, you know? No, my mom doesn't smack me, but like, she's like, why would you talk back? And you get. Sorry, my rooster Earl. Ooh, wait, I need to keep this in here. This could be helpful. I have to keep all the trash in here for now. I'm just getting what I need to get out. Okay, that's all for this car. Alright, let's get the trash. Okay, hold on, we want to keep these two bottles. Not that bottle, but these. Cool. Trash. Everything up in the front. Don't worry, baby, I'll learn how to drive you one day. Hopefully. Yeah. But see, my mom's more strict than my dad is driving. My mom's the type that goes, you're not ready for driving yet, but I have a really, really cool dad. And he thinks it's okay for me to start learning. No, that doesn't mean every single time we go driving, like all the way over there, he's gonna let me drive, but you know, he lets me learn. You know what I mean? Okay. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop this box off and put this box in there. Oh my sister's stuck on the same mouth problem. It's fine, it doesn't matter, it just must be a hard problem. Alright, so then what we're gonna do is we're not gonna get the trash can, but I'm gonna find, I think this box will work. It's not wet or anything, it just, I wanna dump that out, but I'm not gonna. I don't know if it's important for some reason. It's probably not, but you never know. I got in trouble for accidentally not bringing the black bags down, so, you know. All right, let's start up in the front. Whew. Oh, Lord. Oh man. Okay. Hold on. Let me go to this side.